Welcome to this step-by-step guide to CreditSaint membership plans. A comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the process of choosing the right plan for your credit repair needs. First, understand what CreditSaint is. A credit repair company that helps individuals improve their credit scores by challenging inaccurate or outdated information on their credit reports. CreditSaint offers 3 membership plans, each with unique features and benefits. To begin, visit the CreditSaint website and click on the Pricing or Plans tab, where you will find detailed information about each plan. The 3 plans are Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Credit Sage. The Credit Polish plan is the most basic and is ideal for individuals with a few minor credit issues. This plan includes challenges to the 3 major credit bureaus, credit score analysis, and credit monitoring. The Credit Remodel plan is the most popular and offers more comprehensive services, including everything in the Credit Polish plan, plus unlimited challenges to the credit bureaus, credit score tracker, and identity theft insurance. The Credit Sage plan is the most advanced and includes all the features of the Credit Remodel plan, plus a dedicated personal advisor, priority customer service, and a more comprehensive credit analysis. When choosing a plan, consider the severity of your credit issues and your budget. If you have minor credit issues, the Credit Polish plan may be sufficient. However, if you have more severe credit problems, the Credit Remodel or Credit Sage plan may be more suitable. Once you have selected a plan, you can sign up online or over the phone. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your social security number and credit card details. After signing up, you will have access to the CreditSaint online dashboard, where you can track your progress, view your credit reports, and communicate with the CreditSaint team. Best practices for getting the most out of your CreditSaint membership include regularly monitoring your credit reports, responding promptly to requests for information, and being patient, as credit repair can be a lengthy process. In conclusion, choosing the right CreditSaint membership plan can be a straightforward process if you understand your credit needs and the features of each plan. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use CreditSaint to improve your credit score and achieve your financial goals.